Children, today I shall teach you mixed fractions. So what is the meaning of mixed fraction? When a number consists of a whole number and a fraction, it is called a mixed fraction. So what is a whole number? Whole number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this way. It is going on. Now, what is a fraction? Half, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 2 by 3, 4 by 5. These are all fractions. So now you see the example 1/2 is a mixed fraction because it consists of a whole number. 1 is a whole number and half is a fraction. So 1/2 is a mixed fraction. Here also 2 is a whole number and 1 by 4 is a fraction. So 2, 1 by 4 is a mixed fraction. Now children, let's do some sums of exercise 4D. Sum number A, change into normal fractions. So this is a mixed fraction. You have to change it into normal fraction. So what you will do? 2 into 2, 5 by 6, sum number 7. So first you will multiply 2 into 6, then plus 5 in the numerator and in the denominator, so by 6. So 2 6 are 12 plus 5 by 6. So 12 plus 5, 17. 17 by 6. So answer 17 by 6. Now sum number 10. 7, 1 by 4. So 7 into 4. See children, this is a mixed fraction. But 17 by 6 is a normal fraction. Now see sum number 10. 7, 1 by 4 equal to 7 into 4 plus 1 by 4. So 7 4s are 28 plus 1 by 4. That means 29 by 4. So answer 29 by 4. So 29 by 4 is a normal fraction. Now 6, 3 by 5. So it is a mixed fraction. So 6 into 5 plus 3 by 5. So 6 5s are 30 plus 3 by 5 equal to 33 by 5. So answer 33 by 5. Next. Nine, 1 by 6. So 9 into 6 plus 1 by 6. So it's 9 1 by 6 is a mixed fraction. So 9 6 are 54 plus 1 by 6. So 55 by 6. So it is a 55 by 6 is a normal fraction. So answer 55 by 6. Next, sum number 14. 8 3 by 7. So it is a mixed fraction. So 8 into 7 plus 3 by 7. So 8 7s are 56 plus 3 by 7. So 59 by 7. So answer is 59 by 7 and it is a normal fraction. Now again you see children, sum number 16, 7 2 by 9. So it is a mixed fraction. So you have to change it into normal fraction. Then what you have to do? 7 into 9 plus 2 by 9. So 7 9s are 63 plus 2 by 9. That means 65 by 9. So answer 65 by 9. Now children, let's do sum number 17. So 5, 6 by 7. So it is a mixed fraction. You have to change it into normal fraction. So 5 into 7 plus 6 by 7. So 5 sevens are 35 plus 6 by 7. So 35 plus 6, 41 by 7. So answer 41 by 7. So 41 by 7 is the normal fraction. Again you see 8, 9 by 11, sum number 80, 8, 9 by 11. So what you will do? 8 into 11 plus 9 by 11. So 8 into 11, 88 plus 9 by 11. Now 88 plus 9 equal to 97 by 11. So answer 97 by 11. So 97 by 11 is a normal fraction. Again see children, 6, 7 by 12 is a mixed fraction. Because 6 is a whole number and 7 by 12 is a fraction. So now 6 into 12 plus 7 by 12. So 6 into 12, 72 plus 7 by 12. That means 79 by 12. So answer 79 by 12. So 79 by 12 is a normal fraction. So 5, 8 by 15. Sum number 21. 5, 8 by 15. So 5 into 15 plus 8 by 15. So 15 into 5, 75 plus 8 by 15. 75 plus 8, 83 by 15. Answer 83 by 15. Now 83 by 15 is a normal fraction. Again see sum number 22. 7, 9 by 14. It is a mixed fraction. So you have to convert it into normal fraction. What you will do? 7 into 14 plus 9 by 14. So 7 into 14, 98 plus 9 by 14. So it is equal to 98 plus 9, 107 by 14. So answer 107 by 14. Next, sum number 24. So 107 by 14 children, it is a normal fraction. 6, 8 by 13 is also a mixed fraction. Again, because I taught you that it consists of a whole number 6 and a fraction 8 by 13. So now you have to change it into normal fraction. So 6 into 13 plus 8 by 13. So 6 into 13, 78 plus 8 by 13. Equal to 80, 78 plus 8, 86 by 13. So answer 86 by 13. That's all for today. Thank you. Children, take your homework.